How to convert PDF to Word from mobile device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we will learn how we can convert PDF to Word on mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, you have to open up a Chrome on your device. And in the search bar, type in PDF to Word converter. Now you have to navigate to the second link on your interface that says www.ilovepdf.com, so head towards that link. Tap and select PDF file. Now from your device you have to select the PDF file that you would like to convert it into the Word. Now wait for a while until it is converted, or tap on convert to Word at the bottom right corner. Now your file has been converted to an editable Word. If you want to download it, tap on download Word and then the download will begin. After that, once it is downloaded, tap on open and you will find your Word document of your PDF file. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.